Hello and welcome to my site, Peaceful Preparation. This is an actual business that my sister and I are working on where we're going to be selling emergency supplies and food storage. So here is our logo, Peaceful Preparation, Food Storage and Emergency Preparedness. And what I've done is I've taken our color scheme and just kind of added them throughout the site. So welcome to our shop. This tells a little bit about us, our recent products. You can subscribe to blog via email, a little bit about myself. I did add some call to actions, so shop now, prepare now, and what our customers are saying. So I did add some filler testimonials for now, and then browse our full shop. So again, this is another call to action, and when you click on these buttons, it'll take you to our shop, which you can also access from right here. I added emergency supplies, and so if you click on that, it just kind of talks a little bit about our emergency supplies. Same thing with our food storage. I've added a blog. Right now I just have a filler one, Why Prepare, that I've added to that. Our Contact Us. And then again, our shop. So as of right now, I've just put everything out of stock because these are not actually ready to go yet. So what I plan on doing is over the next couple weeks actually going in and adding the rest of our product, and so that this will be live and ready to go. I think I loved using the Divi Builder, and I learned so much about customizations and the ease of working with WordPress. And it's so simple to add things like the call to actions. And I think the most difficult part was just kind of getting the hang of it at the beginning. But the videos on understanding WordPress made it super easy to understand. So thanks so much for checking out my site, and have a great day.